finally found time to visit my birds today. That's Arwin and Frodo. They're always fighting. They're very, very noisy and very, very annoying. Hey guys, say hello. Say hello. Hey, you can't be doing that while you're on YouTube. Come on. Anyway, this is my Pikachu. He is my favorite. Hi, Pika. How are you? How are you? What do you want to say to Mama? Nothing? Oh, you're shy today. This is Neptune and Sappy. They're a snob pair. Of course, Carlos wants attention. He always wants to be in the limelight, right, Carlos? Right? Hi, Carlos. Did you take my cell phone? Hello. What about you? Why are you so noisy? What's your name? 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 Yes, very good. That's your name. Jordy, Jordy, Jordy. This is our new chattering Lori. Hi, Starbucks. Hello, Starbucks. Carlos is also a chattering Lori. But Carlos bites and he can really kill you. This one is tamed a bit. See, I can even reach in and pet him. Come here. Good boy. What was that? What did you say? What's your name again? Good boy. Yeah, that's your name, Jordy. What about Starbucks? Starbucks, hello, Starbucks. Oh, no, that's not Starbucks. That is Buttercup. I always forget your name. Jordy, I'm not gonna take Buttercup. Could you be still? What was that? I know Jordy, Jordy is your name. What? Are you angry? Are you mad at me? Are you mad at Mama? Carlos, stop. No. You two stop. You two stop. I can't just be focusing on you. There are other birds. Hi, Neptune. Hi, Nicole. Where's Bella? Why can't I see Bella here? Bella, are you a vampire? I can't seem to catch you here. Hi, Bella. And this is Sam and Garth. So we have like 3 pairs of ringneck there and Pikachu, which is alone in his cage. And a pair of rainbow lories. 1 small chattering lorry. 1 very big and very noisy chattering lorry. And another pair of ringneck. Jordy and Buttercup. And my lovely lovebirds. The other 2 are inside. Hi, Apollo. Hi, Apollo. How are you? How are you? Carlos, shut up. Why are you so noisy? You want to dance? Toot 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 Stop going around. You're so crazy. I know that's your name. Are you upset? Be still. Mama is still injured. Mama is still hurt. You know that. Okay, say goodbye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.